Mentoring can be a rewarding experience. It can also be challenging as there's no one size fits all answer to the question of how to best mentor someone in this field. Today, I want to explore some of the different options available for mentoring software engineers, and I'll also provide some tips on how to be an effective mentor. So, what is mentoring? Mentorship is a vital part of our engineering field, especially for software engineering. A software engineering mentor can provide guidance, support, and advice to help you further your career. A software engineering mentor can help you with your career planning, give you feedback on your work, and teach you about new programming techniques. They can also help you develop soft skills such as problem solving and communication. As a mentor, you can help grow the individuals inside or outside your organization and can have a force multiplier effect on company output. You can mentor engineers in ways that help them grow as problem solvers, help them learn new technologies, ship fewer bugs, and more. Formal mentoring is a process where a more experienced individual provides guidance and support to a less experienced person. Informal mentoring is more organic. It usually happens organically between two people without a set structure or plan. There are advantages and disadvantages to both formal and informal mentoring. Formal mentoring can be beneficial because it provides a clear structure for the relationship between the mentor and the mentee. This can help ensure that the goals of the mentee are met and that both parties are getting what they want out of the arrangement. Formal mentoring can also help because it can provide opportunities for networking and professional development. However, formal mentoring can also have some drawbacks. The most significant downside is that it can be difficult to find a good match between mentor and mentee. So why mentor other software engineers? As a software engineer, you've likely benefited from the guidance of a mentor at some point in your career. Perhaps you had someone who showed you the ropes when you were first starting out, or helped you navigate a tricky project. Maybe you even have a mentor now. But have you ever thought about why mentoring other software engineers is so important? Mentoring is an essential part of professional development. It can help junior engineers learn the ropes and avoid common mistakes. It also gives more experienced engineers an opportunity to share their knowledge and expertise. And mentoring is not just for juniors. It can be beneficial at any stage in your career. There are many reasons to mentor other software engineers. Mentoring can help build trust and collaboration within teams, foster creativity and problem-solving skills, and improve communication between different levels of employees. Mentoring is a two-way street. Not only will you be helping others, but you will also be learning from them. As your mentees grow and develop their skills, they will be able to provide you with new perspectives and ideas. This will help keep you sharp and help you continue to grow as an engineer. So what to look for in a mentee? Maybe you're interested in taking on a mentee now. A mentee is someone that you can share your knowledge with and your experiences to help them grow in their careers. There are a few things to look for in a mentee. A good mentee would have a willingness to learn. They'd be open to learning new things and expanding their skill set, and they should be coachable and willing to take feedback. They would have good communication skills. It's important that a mentee can communicate effectively so they can articulate their goals and receive feedback well. And finally, they should have shared values. A mentor-mentee relationship works best when there are shared values between the two parties. This helps create trust and mutual respect. It's also important to find a mentee who you can connect with on a personal level. This relationship should be built on trust and mutual respect. A good mentee will be someone you can have a candid conversation with and feel comfortable giving advice to as well. Finally, it's important to make sure that your mentee is someone who you can see yourself working with long term. This person should have similar values and goals as you. They should also be excited about the opportunity to learn from you and grow within the relationship. So how do you get started? I often get asked how people can get started with mentoring. There are a few things to keep in mind if you're thinking about becoming a mentor. First, remember that mentoring is about helping someone else grow, not showing off your own skills. Be humble and open-minded, and focus on the other person's needs. Ask questions about what they're working on, what they'd like to work on, and technologies or practices that they're excited about. Second, don't be afraid to ask for help yourself. The best mentors are always learning and growing along with their mentees. Part of being a mentor is being able to admit when you don't have all the answers. If you're asked a question and you don't know the answer, letting them know that you don't know And finding out the answer together is an excellent way to help grow and remind them that not everyone knows everything all the time. This can help fight imposter syndrome. I don't know helps no one grow, but I don't know, and here's how I'd find out can help you both grow. Finally, be patient. Mentoring relationships takes time to develop. They won't always be easy, but the rewards, seeing someone you've helped grow and succeed, they kind of make it all worth it in the end. As the world progresses, technology becomes more and more integral in our everyday lives. This is why it's important to have qualified software engineers to maintain and improve these systems. Mentoring is a great way to help ensure that the next generation of software engineers are qualified to maintain what we build and ideally go above and beyond anything that we've built too. A mentor can help engineers learn the ropes of the software engineering field and provide guidance on their career path. They can also help introduce engineers to key contacts in the industry, which, as a form of networking, is valuable for both the mentor and the mentee. Mentorships help you grow as well. Teaching other engineers helps cement what knowledge you already have and can help you view problems from a different perspective, unlocking answers to questions that you may have, whether you know it or not. Mentorship is great for business. To stay competitive, businesses with substantial software engineering departments want the best of the best. Helping educate, mentor, and grow individuals benefits the company that they work for and can help that mentee climb through their career as well. Mentorship programs pair seasoned professionals with employees who are looking to further their careers. These programs can offer a number of benefits for both the mentors and mentees, so maybe you should keep an eye out for like a mentorship program at your employer. Mentors gain a sense of satisfaction from helping others reach their professional goals. They also get the opportunity to sharpen their own skills by sharing the knowledge and experiences that they have with someone else, and they're investing in the development of another person. Mentors often develop stronger bonds with their mentees. Ultimately, this can help those senior plus level engineers develop the skills they need to excel at the staff level and or on the management track. For mentees, the programs provide access to experienced professionals who can offer guidance, advice, and support. Mentees also get the chance to develop new skills and build their confidence. Mentorship programs can help mentees expand their professional networks. And finally, mentorship programs help provide a growth path for mentees and can help retain budding talent. So if you're ready to sign up and start mentoring, here are a couple tips I have. Be open and available. When someone seeks you out for mentorship, it is important to be open and available to them. Trying to juggle too many things at once will only lead to frustration on both your and your mentee's parts. Be patient. It can be difficult for someone who's experienced to understand certain concepts or skills. As their mentor, it's important to be patient with them and help them work through it step by step. You were here too at one point. Be articulate. In order to effectively communicate what you know, you need to be able to articulate your thoughts clearly. And last, and arguably most importantly, be humble. We're all human, and showing vulnerability to your mentee can help them combat difficult situations and solve problems like imposter syndrome. I think that wraps it up. But before we go, one last thing. Did you know that I have a podcast? Yeah, it's called Compile Time, and you can find it anywhere that you listen to podcasts. We have Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Overcast, Pocket Casts, my favorite, Radio Public, Spotify, and if you just want the RSS feed, you can find the RSS feed. So it's called Compile Time. We talk about different topics in software engineering. We just started our second season, so come hang out with us and learn something new. Thanks, and have a great day.